The Acer Aspire AI. Imagine having an extra hour in your day just to focus on what matters most. No more endless meetings, no more tedious reports, no more distractions from social media. With this laptop, that's exactly what you get. It's like having a personal assistant built right into the machine, helping you close deals faster, edit content more efficiently, and manage your home office with ease. Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it's not. This Acer Aspire AI is powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra 7 258V processor, which means it's packed with next-gen AI acceleration. That's right, this laptop can do things like real-time video effects, background blur, and even auto-framing, all without relying on cloud storage or internet connectivity. But what does that mean for you? It means you can edit photos faster, handle video editing without breaking a sweat, and automate repetitive tasks with ease. That's right, this laptop is designed to be your productivity powerhouse. And it doesn't stop there. The Acer Aspire AI also comes equipped with 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, which ensures smooth operation even when you're running dozens of browser tabs at the same time. It's like having a supercomputer in your backpack. And with its 1 terabyte PCIe SSD, you'll have ample storage for all your documents, presentations, photos, and videos, plus fast boot times to get you started. But what really sets this laptop apart is its ability to handle GPU-accelerated effects. That means you can enhance your photo editing experience in Lightroom, or speed up your video editing workflow in Premiere/DaVinci Resolve. And with the 14-inch touchscreen display, you'll have all the precision and accuracy you need to get the job done. And let's not forget about the home office command center. With Wi-Fi 6E, you'll be able to make stable video calls and upload files to cloud storage in no time. Plus, the included USB hub gives you all the ports you need: HDMI, USB-A, USB-C, SD card, and Ethernet, so you can set up your professional workspace in seconds. But what about mobility? Can this laptop keep up with your on-the-go lifestyle? The answer is yes. Weighing in at just 3.09 pounds and 0.7 inches thin, this laptop fits easily into any bag for commuting between home office, co-working spaces, or client meetings. And with long battery life to support full workdays away from outlets, you'll be able to take this laptop anywhere. So what do you get when you buy the Acer Aspire AI? You get a productivity powerhouse that's designed to change your day. No more endless meetings, no more tedious reports, just more time for what matters most. And with its stunning display, precise editing capabilities, and AI-powered efficiency, you'll be able to create and work like never before. Check out the link below to learn more about this incredible laptop and get the best price on your new productivity powerhouse.